Hello, 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 all my YouTube friends and family out there. It's your girl back at it one more again, here to show you how to do it yourself, boo, so you can save time and money and energy doing it yourself. All right, so today I'm gonna show you guys how to remove a lace wig, lace front, full lace, whatever it may be, how to remove the glue effectively so you could say it is lace, girl. You know, these things cost too much money, girl. So stay tuned, guys. Video at you coming up right now. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe if you would. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you guys will know whenever I drop new content, whenever I'm here to help you. So let's jump right into the video. Y'all get ready, get your notepads if necessary, take notes, because I'm going to show you how to say that lace, boo. To start off by using just some isopropyl alcohol. It was like maybe $1.50 at Walmart. I've heard 91% is really good to use, but I only found 70% alcohol, and I have a washcloth. So I have proceeded to saturate just like a corner of an old washcloth. Just saturate it. And I will start off, really, I like to start off in the middle and just go in like a little circle all around that front area. Now this process, y'all, is a pretty lengthy process, so hopefully I figure out on my video editing, yeah, how to speed this part up for y'all, because it's pretty extensive. Anyway, so we're going to just loosen up the glue, because I know y'all want your edges. You understand? I hope so anyway. So anyway, after I finish with that part all around my edge of my wig glue, the edge of my wig, I go back with a Chic Bond. It is the Lace Wig Bond Conditioning Remover. And with this, I've had it for quite a while now, and it actually looks a little weird. It's usually pretty clear, but it still works. This removes the glue, and it conditions your edges or wherever you're applying it. It has like an oil base, so it's really gentle, and it works. It removes the glue. So whatever glue or freezing spray is not removed, once I finish with this first step, I'll go back in and I do it the same way like I did with the alcohol, and I would saturate a corner of my old washcloth and basically repeat the steps. Okay, so just go all around, and like I said, I like to start up at the top. I also like the parts that are already coming up. You see, like that part, I like to go up under there as well. You see how much, look at that glue. That actually is wig glue. Like I said, I went back in after a couple days of the Gotta Be glue, when it started wearing out and started coming up. I went in with the wig glue, the Ghost Bond, and just applied that to the wig. And the isopropyl alcohol is like a solvent. It's getting all that wig glue. You see? Can y'all see that? Oh! Yeah, so just take your time. It's not a rush. You know, make sure you have allotted enough time to sit and remove your wig. You want to do this so you can preserve your edges. I know we all want our edges, ladies. So when we take these lace fronts and these full lace wigs off, we still got some up under there, you know. We ain't just bald-headed scallywags. Ain't got no hair in the back, or the front, or the sides, or your edges. Oh, man. All right. So I will just continue this process. Slow and show. No hair is in it. It's just glue. Look at that. With ease. With ease. Now, let me just let y'all know. Once I take this unit completely off of my head, there will still be residue. There will still be glue on my edges or my scalp, because I don't use the stocking cap method. I don't use that because my hair is mostly blonde underneath. So when I part my hair, it shows my blonde hair. So it's kind of like ball cap method anyway, already having blonde hair. But there will be residue on my hair and on the wig, and that is when I really use this to remove all that glue off of my wig. The better you do it, the better the wig is going to stick the second time. I found that, you know, when you just do a half behind job, next time you put that wig on, it's not gonna stick as good as it did the first time that you used the glue on it. I've also found that once you open up these glues, these wig glues, I don't know if it's because of the air, like if air does something to it, it getting like oxygen in it, or I don't know. I'm not a scientist. I'm just a DIYer. So I don't know. And I'm learning as I go. So yeah. Anyway, so I'll go back in and I'll remove all this glue and stuff off of the wig. So everything is all clean and all to the G. All good. All right. It's coming on along. Don't forget to go in small concentric circles. Small circles. All them baby hairs. As you see, I'm still going in small circles. Small circles. Loosening that gel. Not gel. Well, it was some gel, but the glue and the freezing spray up. So guys, you want to keep doing that same circular motion throughout the entire part of the lace that has glue on it. Just continue to go slow and show. Take your time. It's a marathon and not a sprint. You know, the slower you go, the more gentle you are, the longer you'll be able to preserve the condition of your lace. That is very, very important. Don't rush through it. Save your edges, save your lace. All right. So next, let's see what the wig looks like off of my head, okay? So as you see, I have removed the wig, but there's still this underlying buildup of glue and freezing spray. So what I will do, along with going back in and bleaching my knots, I'll be removing all this residue. And like I said, I'm gonna be using alcohol and glue remover, lace wig bind conditioning remover. Be removing all of this buildup. See that? Okay, y'all remember how it looked. I will be using a new section of the used washcloth, not the part that I previously used, because it's all dirty and gooky and nasty. Yeah, so I don't want that buildup to transfer to the wig, so I'll be using a new part of the washcloth. Alright, so I have removed most of the glue and buildup. And don't forget that when you're doing this, take your time, still go in those circles, because one thing that you can do if you're not careful is pull out your edges, and I mean on your lace. You know, if you're real hard with it, you can pull out those edges. Believe it or not, I had actually plucked these edges, so it looks like I pulled it out, but I actually didn't. You'll see after I wash it. So you see right here, it looks like it's still built up, but that's mostly the freezing spray. See how it's all shiny and stuff? If it was glue, when I did that, it would be sticking to my fingers. So it is removed, most part, and all the gotta be glued or freezing spray will be washed out, but you definitely want to remove all the glue as best as you can, because once you wash it, you have a tough job on your hands. Alright, so next step is the washing, deep conditioning of the wig. That's it, guys. That is it. We have gotten the lace off of our heads. That scalp can breathe. I know you guys took your time. You guys preserved your edges. You preserved that expensive lace, right? Awesome. So after I took the wig off, I basically just shampooed it with shampoo I got from the Dollar Tree, conditioner I got from the Dollar Tree. You use what you like best. The biggest thing with washing your wigs, though, and this is with any wig, is you do not want to agitate the wig too much. You don't want to get the hair tangled up together, because it is very hard to get that hair detangled once it's tangled up. Regardless if it's a straight wig or a curly wig, it is very hard to get it detangled. I know, at least with human hair, it is very hard. Quick story, I had a human hair wig that I washed. I didn't know what the heck I was doing, and it got so tangled up. I put it on a wig head, tried to detangle it. Y'all, it was so many holes in my lace from pinning it down on the head. It was so many patches of hair that were just like short because it had, you know, I pulled the hair out. So just take your time when you're washing the hair. And make sure that you let it air dry, especially if it is a curly type of wig, whether it be a deep curl, a body curl, water wave. That's what this is. It's a water wave 20-inch wig from LuvMe Hair, which, that's a whole nother video. We'll talk about that another time. Oh, and if you guys are wondering, forgive my ashiness. Sorry, I'm a nurse. I wash my hands all day, so y'all forgive me for the ash. Anyway, if you guys are wondering who did my nails, if you a true DIYer, a true ifak fan, then you already know, boo. You know what time it is. I did them. Yes, me. I did them. So I have a video also about how to make your fingers look great at home. At home for less than $10. I will link that video in the description below as well. Please, if you like the video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, when you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit the bell so you'll be notified each and every time I give y'all new hacks, new tips, new tricks on how to do it yourself, boo. Yes. Anyway, I love you guys, and I'm so grateful for you all. I pray to God, I pray to Jesus, you all have a great, a wonderful, and fantastic-rifical day. All right? Take care, my guys. Love you all so much. So much. Y'all have a blessed day.